Property management is something that most owners need, regardless of whether they own condo corporations or you're a small business. In most cases, you want something inexpensive, but you need a very useful tool that handles everything. In this video, we'll be doing a comprehensive review of Condo Control. Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney, and I'm a property management expert with DoorLoop, here to help you out. Now, quick disclaimer that I do work for DoorLoop, and this is the DoorLoop YouTube channel. But in this video, we're going to be reviewing Condo Control, so you can decide yourself if it's the right choice. What is Condo Control property management software? They're an excellent property management software that offers a management and communication platform for property managers, board members, security companies, and much more. You will get reporting functions, tenant and lease tracking, online payments, amenity booking, and even concierge management. Overall, the web-based software helps you manage homeowner associations and condo responsibilities. Property managers and residents will have the tools necessary with Condo Control to be more efficient and productive. So let's go over Condo Control's features. Communication. You want to communicate clearly with others to avoid confusion, whether you're putting in service requests or booking events. With this system, you can share documents, messages, and events electronically, which keeps the whole community informed and engaged. Concierge and security. The whole system is designed to improve the operations for residents and concierge staff. You can automate visitor parking, package tracking, and security patrols. Plus, there are fewer issues and errors, but the productivity increases for the whole team. Record keeping. Find what you need when it's required. You don't have to deal with paper piling up and manual processing. With Condo Control, it helps you organize issues and offers consistency through digital documents and forms. You can create a service request with ease. Integration. Condo Control is designed to integrate with various software programs, allowing you to accomplish more. Mobile options. The solution is convenient because there is a mobile app. Residents can have access to what they need on the go and stay in touch with others. Training. Whether you require customer support in person or online, there are many training methods to get guidance in the way that meets your needs. So let's break down their pricing. Condo Control has two pricing plans, Premium and Core. However, it doesn't offer information about the exact pricing, so you'll have to request a quote. Choosing appropriate software systems for condo and HOA management is a challenge. You may want to consider some alternatives, so here's three. First, DoorLoop. As a property manager, your main goal is to find something inexpensive and user-friendly that will handle all your property management needs. With DoorLoop, you get that and so much more. Here's a few of DoorLoop's features. A tenant portal to collect rent. Most tenants want to pay rent on time to avoid monthly fees, and the full-service CRM from DoorLoop makes it easier than ever to do that. You can communicate with others, plus the tenants get their own portal to make payments on their smartphones or desktop computers. Streamlined communications. It's easy to communicate with tenants directly in the app through your desktop or smartphone. Plus, you can work with vendors, manage your maintenance requests, and access information from within DoorLoop. There's no need to leave the system. A full suite of accounting tools. Everyone knows that QuickBooks is great, but it's not designed for property management. With DoorLoop, you don't need to integrate with QuickBooks, but you can if you like. Everything plays well together, so there's no issues. A dedicated owner portal. Do you require reports to see how things are moving, or are you in need of checks? Well, you can handle your partners and owners' requests in minutes with the dedicated portal. And the best part is DoorLoop's pricing. DoorLoop is only $49 per month for up to 20 units. So if you're excited about what DoorLoop could do for you, it's time to schedule your free demo. Go ahead and click the link in the description or go to doorloop.com/YouTube. Our second option is Stessa. Stessa is a free property management tool and a web-based software. Some of their features include insights and reporting, get visibility of 24/7 into the performance of your portfolio with auto-generated reports. They're updated in real time, and you can create balance sheets, income statements, and so much more. Automate expenses and income tracking. You don't need to deal with paperwork when you have an automated and secure system that will organize your transactions easily. You can set things up and forget them while creating reports when you require them. Cash management. Streamline your checking account and integrate with Stessa. Companies and sole proprietors will enjoy no account fees and higher APY rates. Online rent collection. Never send a rent reminder again. Stessa lets you onboard tenants and automatically send reminders. You'll get real-time updates that the rent is paid. Rental applications. Stessa offers a tenant screening option without having to use a third party. Plus, you can create applications easily without having to do much work. As far as the pricing, you can't get a better value for your money because it's free. It's designed for individual investors, so you can use various features without having to pay. However, there are premium options if you need something a little stronger for your team. And our third option is Landlordy. It has a free basic plan, and it's all on your mobile app. The other plan is more restrictive and has fewer tools tools than other software, still you'll have some useful things available. You can pay for premium features though. Some of their features include track rental payments. You can log rent payments as you get them and receive payment and balance history for each tenant. Plus, it's easy to message or email payment receipts and invoices. Organize records. Manage your service records on appliances like smoke detectors, refrigerators, and furnaces. You can be reminded or schedule upcoming checks and routine maintenance. Digital expense receipts. Track your expenses immediately when you pay for things and stay organized. Take photos of receipts with your camera or simply import images and PDF files from your photo library, email, and other applications. Get information quickly. Manage all the information for your properties and keep up with dates, notes, contract information, and related documents. Communicate efficiently. You can email or text rent invoices, payment receipts, and balance reports to your accountant or tenant. Plus, it's easy to print and share reports through integrations. Minor details making a huge difference. You can choose between light and dark mode and have access to an optimized scanner. Plus, the special keyboard supports basic calculations. And as far as the pricing, like I said, there is a free plan for Landlordy which offers basic features and gives you a pretty decent value for your money. However, most of what you'll need is a part of the paid plans. The basic paid plan is $14.99 and includes 2 units. Then you have Plus, which is $49.99 and consists of 10 units. However, if you need unlimited units, you'll need the Pro plan, which costs $99.99. When it comes to property management, most condominium owners are focused on something user-friendly and inexpensive. When you choose to work with DoorLoop, you'll get communication tools for you and your tenants, a full accounting suite, an intuitive UI that's easy to use and designed for non-tech savvy customers, an owner portal for reporting and check printing, a maintenance order management system, a tenant portal, and automatic rent payments, excellent customer service with a team ready to help, and much more. So whether you own a condominium or a small house that you rent, you can take your property management company to the next level. DoorLoop will simplify the process and help you save time and money, so go ahead and click the link in the description or go to doorloop.com/YouTube to get a free demo, and you'll get a special discount on your plan for coming from this video. I hope this helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Plus, you can check out this playlist for more property management tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!